Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. I hope you guys are having a good day or a good week. Anyway, today I'm kind of happy because I got my Boxycharm Add Ons. And I finally got it after sending them my email twice because it said it was already delivered and it wasn't. But of course, tracking was all wrong. So if you're interested in seeing what add-ons I received, please do stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. Anyway, as I was saying in the intro, yeah, I was having palpitations, you know, my heart was beating because I'm like, what do you mean it was delivered? And I had just been on my trip to Ventura, and I was thinking, you know, it would have been delivered that early morning, and I came home in the afternoon, there was nothing there, looked at the computer and said it was delivered. I'm like, yeah, no, nobody has ever stolen anything until, you know, today, if they did. And so I actually contacted Boxycharm, and I told them here's a screenshot that it's been delivered, but I didn't get it. And then so they sent me another email, say fill this out, blah blah blah, you know, any other information you have, put it below. And then so I waited, and then I got another email that said that we are sorry that you know, your box wasn't there, would look into it. So I emailed them again, and so the third time they sent me an email saying, oh, it has not been delivered. It is en route, and here is the tracking. So they gave me another tracking number. I'm like, what the heck is going on? And it was FedEx. And so it showed up today, and I'm happy about that. So anyhow, that's drama. That's enough drama for me. So anyway, before we get started, hey, affirmation time. Okay, anyhow, today, let's see, what is that? What is that? What is that? Pretty, pretty, pretty. It says, I am a light that will not be dimmed. I am a light that will not be dimmed. And I full-heartedly believe that. I am really hard to shut down. I say this because I try to look at the positive and everything, and sometimes there are haters out there, you know? I mean, I'm so grateful that it has not happened on this channel. And I think early on, I had a couple of meanies, you know, actually writing in something that wasn't nice. And actually, my beautiful wildflowers actually took care of that. And they really attacked these two. And I'm thinking, oh my gosh, what is going on here? And I was just afraid that this channel was going to be like not so good. And then that was the last time that, you know, anybody ever said anything so, you know, negative to me. And, you know, I think that's because I try to keep everything in a positive, right? Because that's my job. Because you guys don't come onto YouTube to watch people fight and be full of drama. You know, and there's people that are out there that are haters that will try to dim you, or try to dim me, and all of the other, you know, beautiful wildflowers and all of the beautiful YouTubers out there that's honestly trying to add good content. And there's really haters out there. But you know what? That's not on me, guys. That's not on me. That's on them, because there's something wrong in their life that they feel that way. And this is exactly what you have to look at. When people are attacking you or people are not being so nice to you, don't take it personal. And this is the reason why I say I will not be dimmed. Because you know what? I refuse to take things personal anymore, because I know I'm doing the best I can. And you know what? If they want to dim my light, go ahead, try it. I'm not going to let you. Because you know what? I mean, I'm me. You can't change that. And I don't want to change you, because you want to be that way, that's fine. So that's the attitude you really have to take. You have to take the, you know, the attitude that I'm a light and I won't be dimmed. Because you know what? You have to give permission in order for them to make you feel bad. It's true. I mean, you have to give them permission, right? I mean, they just won't make you feel bad. I mean, no matter what anybody says to you, if you don't give them permission and you don't cave, they can't make you feel bad. So don't give them permission. Okay? So be the light that will not be dimmed. But we all do have, don't get me wrong, we all do have our rough spots, right? Where we start to doubt, but that's okay. That's part of it. Turn that light back on and be positive for yourself, okay? And don't worry about anybody else. Don't sweat the small stuff. Okay, alrighty, that's that. And so now, okay, I did open the box, okay, just to make sure everything it was in order, but I didn't actually open anything. And so it came like this. This is what, I mean, it really came like this, okay, guys? I mean, I'm not making this up. It's kind of floating around in there, and so I'm kind of hoping that all is good. And I only just picked up a very few things. And the first thing I picked up, and I didn't think I want, will I use this? But this is not for me. This is for my husband. And this is by Spongel. This is the Men's Super Buffer, and it's 20 plus washes. And since we go on these trips, and we're going to be going to, a couple of longer trips coming up here, because I do have to burn some of my time off before I start losing it. And so I figure, you know what, I'm going to get him one of these, so that way he doesn't have to worry about carrying around a bottle of, soap, or using those cheap hotel ones. No matter, you can stay at a 5-star hotel, their soap still is not good. So anyway, yeah, and this smells so good, guys. This smells like a men's nice cologne, and I'm hoping that he will enjoy it, because it's loaded with soap, I believe. It's like the other Spongel, I would imagine. It just smells really nice, though. And, oh, look at the size of this thing. Is that huge? Yeah, it's like a, look. And it has the scrubby side here, and it has the soft side here. And it smells like, ooh, very nice cologne, actually. It smells like that cologne with Johnny Depp, Sauvage. Yeah. Yeah, that's what it smells like. Okay, that's that. That's for him. Okay, and the next thing I got is by Becca. And woo, look at that. Woo, wow. That's really like shiny. So let me see. What is that? Shimmering Sun. What? Oh, Skin Perfector. Shimmering Skin Perfector. Oh, I think it's a highlighter. And here it is. Oh, you know what? I love this. It looks like a flying saucer. I have one. See, but this is different. This is a different kind. That's like a bronzer. So let me see what this is. Oh, this is very pretty. Look at this. It is a pink shade highlighter, it looks like, and that is a very nice color. And this is perfect, actually. I like these type of colors. So, and it has a beautiful mirror, and it's pretty heavy duty. So, yeah, that's that. And these were actually very, Becca going out of business and all. So, I mean, they were pretty inexpensive. I have so many highlighters, I don't think I would have bought it otherwise. And so, this one here is the collector's edition. Let me see, Shimmering Skin Perfector. And so, that's that. Was this a special edition too? No, this one wasn't, but this one is. Huh. Who knew? Not me. Okay. Oh, no wonder. Look at this. Wow, this is nice. Oh, okay. So, what's on the inside? Oh, this is nice too. This is more of a gold tone. Same thing, but a gold tone. Yes, I can hear Rhonda Stuthers. Don't you have enough highlighters? I thought that was on your no-buy list. It is, Rhonda. But I couldn't pass it up, I'll save it. I won't use it. Okay, so that's that. That's 2 pieces here. What else did I get? Oh. Anastasia Beverly Hills. You remember that this is, I believe these will come in our palettes, and our boxes for Boxycharm. And here it is. This is the, I think, number 3. Yeah, it is. This is called Pro Pigment Palette number 3. And I didn't pick, did I pick this one? I did pick this one. And let me tell you the reason why I bought it if I ordered it. Because you remember I told you that if I have a chance to buy it, I'm going to buy it. And if it comes in my box anyway, it's a bonus. I'll probably give it away. Because what happened one time, very first time when I got something I want, it was broken. And then they said they didn't have any more to replace it. And so I didn't get what I wanted. So I said, you know what? Since they have it on add-ons, I'm going to buy it. So, anyway, look at this. This is so pretty. This is very nice. And okay, hold on. How's this work? Okay, here we go. Huge mirror. Huge mirror. And here are the colors. Let me get the savers and let me get the mirror out of the way here. So, these are definitely some very heavy pigments. And these would be really fun to use. And you really couldn't beat the price. These retail for $60, and all of the retailers, including Sephora and Ulta and all those places. And I believe these were $20, I want to say. Yeah, as an add-on. And so I decided, you know what, I'm going to get it in case same thing happens to me before, where, you know, I pick something and then it gets destroyed in shipping and they say, oh, sorry, we don't have any more. So, yep. And that also happened to me with one of the, I think it was Natasha Denona, one of the, her palettes. And the good thing is I had learned my lesson and I had bought it, and it actually never showed up, and they said, we'll just give you a refund for your box. So, wasn't happy about that, but I had learned my lesson from the first time, and so I'm like, yeah, okay. That's okay. I beat you to your game. So, anyway, so that's that. Whoops. And I had to put it down so I don't drop it. And the last thing in a box, very weird how this comes, because this should be the other palette. You see how they come different? The other one came like wrapped in foam, and now this one is in a box. Okay. That's different. You see, this is different. I mean, this one comes wrapped nicely in this corrugated box. The other one just came in foam, just thrown in there. And this is the other one. Okay, here it is. And I already own, this one is number 4 or number 1? Number 1. Here's 1 and 3 is what they were offering. I already own 4. And so I didn't get the, you know, the 5 is the new one. I haven't gotten that one yet. Maybe it'll come to, yeah, I don't know, boxy. Maybe not, but I can wait. So, all right, let's see the color story. Of course, by the look of the box, it's going to be, what is this? Oh, it tells you all the ones that's not safe for the eyes, which is like majority of them. So it's there. Hey, you know what? It wasn't in my other one. So, okay, this is going to be a purple theme. And like I said, okay, I don't want to like break it. Okay. Oh, very nice. You see? Oh, let me get the color saver out so you guys can see it better. Again, with the mirror. Oh, wait a minute here. There's like a gash in 2 of the colors. So, but that's okay. That's just, I mean, that's fine. But here it is. And this is such a pretty palette. And so I'm really glad I got it. And it makes me feel a little more secure, you know, in case it doesn't make it. So, yeah. We'll see, because I think I'm only going to get 1. I think I might have, were we able to pick? Because if we would have been able to pick, I probably would have picked this one. And I got that one extra, and just in case. And so, yeah. And then what I'll do is, if my other one comes and it's in one piece, I will add it to my giveaways. And what I'm doing is actually collecting, that will be the 3rd ABH palette. Yeah, because I also have the, the sultry one, the kit, and also the not the modern renaissance, but there's another one that I have duplicates of, so those will be going too. And those I'm saving for the 1000 beautiful wildflower giveaway, because right now I have a 700 beautiful wildflower giveaway going on, which will end on the 15th, right? So it's not in there, but when it's a bigger one, I'm gonna go ahead and put those in there, so that way, because that is big, 1,000. So yeah, so I have to make it special. And so it's gonna have probably a couple of different ABH palettes, and possibly Huda palettes, Huda palettes and things like that. So I'm gonna make it really worth people's while for that. So yeah, so help me get the 1,000 people. I need 1,000 beautiful wildflowers so I can kick that off. Right now I'm at, I think, 720, and thank you guys so much. Thank you. And you know, my goal is in September, it'll be 1 year since I started my channel, and I was hoping to reach 1,000 by September. Not sure if it's gonna happen. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It wasn't meant to be. It's okay. But it would be kind of cool if I could reach that. So, and I will be launching the big giveaway at that time, okay? So if you know anybody who's really interested in this content, please let them know, okay? And if they like me and they watch me, then they can subscribe. If not, it's okay too, okay? You know, I might be hard to swallow for some people. Who knows? Anyway, my beautiful wildflowers. And another thing also, Stephanie from Opinionated Horsewoman, she went through the trouble of getting some information about how we can complain, or the beautiful Wildflowers, the viewers can complain and get something done as far as all of the different difficulties. So I'm going to drop that below in the description so you guys could look at it. But you know, it's as simple as just going to a link and making a complaint, because for some reason or another, they think we're making all this up, and we really aren't. So yeah, any kind of trouble. I know some of you have said that your comments been deleted, and I don't delete comments, guys, unless it has, I think I've deleted maybe 3 comments the whole time. Because it had derogatory things in there, and it was not a very nice thing. And also some pornographic sites with this link, so I delete those. But I have never, and I promise you, have never deleted anybody's comments that makes a good comment. And so yeah, so, and I know people have said that it disappears. So yeah. Yeah, that's one complaint. So yes, so now moving on. So if I say so one more time, somebody's gonna shoot me. So have a good day, have a good night, have a good week, have a good weekend. And just remember, doesn't matter when you're watching this or what you're doing. I just want you to know, don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.